All right, everybody. Here we are. This is our second break of the night. Four boxer. The Reds and Tigers hit pretty well in the first break. So let's see who hits in the second break. There were other hits, but the Reds got a green auto and the Tigers got a Jonathan Crawford auto. So we also had Dirt Nap auto and Chance Cisco. All right, so box one, break two. No wave, no big non-auto color yet, so that's still waiting for us. Let's see what we got here. I want to say that's our first wave pack, but I was fooled severely last night with really thick packs that just had extra cards in them. So we'll see what happens. My voice sounds different on breakers. They might be using the other microphone. Let me look. There, how's it sound now? Might be a little different. Alright, Mike Zunino refractor, Carlos Correa chrome. Mark Montgomery, chrome. Joseph Mung refractor, Tony Cingrani. Yeah, right. Thanks a lot, Tops. Teddy Ballgame, Red Sox. Nice Clint Frazier chrome for the Indians. Aaron Blanton refractor. Got a black refractor rookie, Marcell Ozuna, 6 of 35. So that's our first gold or better. There should be 4 total in the case. About. Kyle Crick. Alex Colomé and Tommy Malone, the Rays hot pack. Nice auto. J.P. Crawford for the Phillies. J.P. Crawford, 16th overall pick. So a couple nice hits there. Mullets with a rare refractor and the Phillies with a nice auto. Miles Williams refractor. Corey Nebel, Evil Knebel. Another Ozuna. Michael Waka chrome. Waka Waka. Kendall Coleman refractor. Daniel Jabba the Cub, Jabba Nobata. Orange paper of Hunter Renfroe, that's a nice card. To 250 for the Padres. Shelby Miller chrome. George Springer refractor for the Astros. Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Byron Buxton, that's a nice hit. Silver Ice, a Buxton. Alright, so let's see if they fooled me again. We'll check this pack out. See if Top's playing games with me. Bunch of jerks. A bunch of jerks. It was nice. It was a nice box though with the Crawford and the black refractor. Nope, looks good. Now, looks really good because there is no red. That increases our odds of an auto. And if there is one, it's the last one. No auto. All right, so we've got Peterson, Trey Arbe, Hunter Renfroe for the Padres, nice card. DJ Peterson for the Mariners, another nice card. Jerko and Joey Gallo for the Rangers. So we did have a wave pack, no wave auto. We'll probably have at least one more wave pack. Usually there were 2. 3 is not uncommon. 4 is pretty rare. 5's crazy rare. One pack is relatively rare too. So, and I don't see one in there. All right, so box 2. Austin Meadows Chrome. Drake Britton. Stetson Ali. Christian Yelich refractor. Albert Pujols sapphire. John Costa. Yeah, that's a nice auto for the D-backs. Braden Shipley. Was he 15th? 15th overall draft pick, Braden Shipley. Nice first rounder auto there. Got a green Colin Moran. Nice hit. Green Colin Moran, 46 of 75. 6th overall draft pick. Colin Moran, green refractor. That's a good card. Got a mini of Matt Harvey for the Mets. Blake Higgins refractor. Tyler Heineman. Tyler Vale. Steven Negrin. Jose Fernandez. Jose Fernandez blue paper to 500. That's a nice card. Evil Knievel. Billy Hamilton refractor for the Reds. Red Ice, Trevor Williams for the Miami Mullets. 25 of 25. Second round draft pick. Trevor Williams, Miami Mullets. Little something, something. Nick Schufo. Travis Ott. Alright, guys, so that's box 2. Doing pretty well on the autos as far as who they are. Got a black refractor, a red ice, a green refractor of Colin Moran, blue wave pack. That was doing okay this break. Alright, all Marlins. No wave back. Reese McGuire refractor. Albert Pujols. Jonathan Gray chrome. J.P. Crawford refractor. Oh, goodness. Nick Castellanos. Manny Machado rookie. Alan Webster and John Denny. That was all Red Sox. Trevor Williams, John Costa. Colin Moran chrome. Tom Windle, blue paper, Ryan McMahon. Dominic Smith for the Mets. Jed Jerko, Gallardo refractor. Just in time. Cord Sandberg refractor. Dylan Bundy rookie. And another good auto, Aaron Judge for the Yankees. So far, all first-round draft picks. Aaron Judge. We got a Puig chrome. And Luke Jackson, 22 of 99. X-Fractor die cut. It's pretty rare to get 2 of those in one case. It's relatively rare to get 2 of those. Maybe like 1 case in 10 will have 2 of those die cuts to 99. Oh, goodness. I don't know what's going on with this yawning. Taiwan Walker. Tyler Wade refractor for the Yankees. Sean Nolan. William White. And Billy Hamilton. Orange paper, Chris Bostic for the A's to 250. Manny Machado die cut. Sorry, mini, not die cut. Tyler Skaggs. All right, last box for break 2. if we can get another wave out of here. No, it doesn't look like it. So hopefully there'll be another wave pack in that in the second or third break. Sorry. Pierce Johnson. Austin Meadows refractor. That's a nice card for the Pirates. We've got a bonus hit, Delino DUI to Shields for the Houston Astros to 99. 67 of 99 for the Delino DUI to Shields. Jordan Austin. Robbie Cano, don't you know? I know. Casey Masoner. I probably could have filled more, to be honest with you. It's just only filled 3 because that's all I had as far as boxes. I only had 1 sealed case left of this. Christian Yelich. But I probably could have done 4, 5. I mean, the first one filled in 15 minutes. The second one filled not too much longer than that. And then the third one filled in an hour. So all 3 were full by 8. And sometimes I don't even send the email till 8. So we definitely could have filled probably 4, maybe 5. That's a nice card. Carlos Correa, Blue Mini. Carlos Correa, Blue Mini for the Astros to 250. Joey Gallo, blue paper. Tim Anderson refractor for the White Sox. Trey Ball, another first-round draft pick, right? Yep. 7th overall pick. Dude, he was 7th overall pick. I can't remember if he's first round. Trey Ball. So all 4 base autos, but all 4 first-rounders. So this last break should have a colored auto, a wave pack, and 1 or 2 gold or better refractors. Jorge Perez, unless there's, color in here, but certainly possible. Jose Fernandez, refractor, nice card. Flores, Kendry Flores, and Evan Gattis. All right, guys, so that's it for break 2. Let me recap it for you here in just a second. It didn't have the colored auto that break 1 had, but overall it was a better break. I mean, other than the Reds, it was a better break. More hits, spread out to more teams. So we had Trey Ball for the Red Sox. Carlos Correa, the blue for the Astros. DUI Delino DeShields for the Astros. Austin Meadows, refractor. Aaron Judge, first round draft pick, Yankees auto. Trevor Williams, 25 of 25 for the Miami Mullets. Speaking of the Mullets, Colin Moran, sixth overall draft pick. Colin Moran, green refractor, 46 of 75. 15th overall draft pick, Braden Shipley for the D-backs. Some blue wave, Trey Arbe, Hunter Renfroe for the Padres, first rounder. DJ Peterson for the Mariners, first rounder. Jed Gallardo and Joey Gallo. What was Gallo? Gallo was the 39th overall pick in 2012. J.P. Crawford, first rounder, Phillies auto. And Marcell Ozuna, black refractor, non-auto, 6 of 35 for the Miami Mullets. So Miami did pretty good. Miami did pretty good in that break. Let me put their paper in, save the video, and then we'll go on to break 3. What do you say?